Hello friends. I am Ella. Today, we are going to talk about common punctuation marks. The ones you will see and use in everyday English writing. Stay with me until the end, because we'll have a short passage that uses all the punctuation marks we discuss. It will be a fun way to see them in action. Let's get started. The first one is period. A period is used to end a sentence. Example: I live in London. The next one is comma. A comma is used to separate ideas or items in a list. Example: I bought apples, bananas, and oranges. Let's look at the third one. Question mark. A question mark is used at the end of a question. Example: how are you today? Next is exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used to show strong feeling. Example: wow. That's amazing. The fifth one is quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to show what someone says. Example: she said, I am happy. The next one is apostrophe. An apostrophe shows possession or missing letters. Examples: Sarah's book/don't. 7. Colon. A colon introduces a list or an explanation. Example: I need 3 things, milk, bread, and sugar. 8. Semicolon. A semicolon connects 2 related sentences. Example: I like pizza, my brother likes pasta. 9. Dash. A dash adds extra information or emphasis. Example: I love ice cream, especially chocolate. 10. Parentheses. Parentheses add extra information. Example: we visited Paris, the capital of France. Now, let's read a short passage using all these punctuation marks. Yesterday, I went shopping. I bought apples, bananas, and oranges, my favorite fruits. When I got home, Sarah said, wow. That's a lot of fruit. I laughed, it was true. But I told her, don't worry, we'll share. We had a fun evening, and ate too much fruit. And that's it, friends. These are the most common punctuation marks you'll use every day. Practice them, and soon your writing will be much clearer and more fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons with me, Ella. See you next time.